just have really bad hiccups.
Well, I can help you if you want.
Really? That'd be great.
Oh, okay. Let's put your pinkies as close as you can without touching it.
I still have hiccups, so it didn't work.
Next method. I'll be right back.
And then
What was that for? We'll try something else then.
Still didn't work.
I don't know what to do. I tried everything.
This will never work. These hiccups just won't go away.
Wait, your hiccups just went away.
Oh my god.
See, I told you I could help. So what do I say?
well, I can help you if you want.
Oh.
That will be him now.
Oh.
What? Oh, you started?
Yeah.
You didn't.
Be right back.
Go. Brent.
No, that one did hurt.